Hello, students. Good morning. My name is Teacher Jay, and we are going to have our lesson for today. Hi. Hello. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. How do you feel? I feel happy, sad, hot, cold, sick, angry, surprised, scared, excited. Now, girls and boys, how do you feel today? All right. Me, I feel happy and hot. Now, welcome to my first English adventure. Our topic for today is all about the ending sound of the word. The ending sound of the word. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Here are the vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Bat, get, dot, cut, bite, fit, hot, cat, jet. Again, vocabulary words. Bat, get, dot, cut, bite, fit, hot, cat, jet. Next are vocabulary words. Hot, but, fat, lot, sit, pet. Again, our vocabulary words. Hot, hot, but, fat, lot, sit, pet. Okay. What is this? Bat. It is a bat. Bat. It is a bat. What is this? Get. It is a get. The girl get the trash. Get. Get. What is this? Dot. Dot. It is a dot. Dot. What is this? Cut. 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 It is a cut. Cut. What is this? Bite. Bite. It is a bite. The boy is bite the apple. The boy bite the apple. Bite. What is this? Fit. Fit. It is a fit. The girl is doing an exercise to be fit. Fit. What is this? Hot. Hot. It is a hot. The boy feel hot. What is this? Cat. It is a cat. Cat. What is this? Jet. Jet. It is a jet. Jet. What is this? Hot. Hot. It is a hot. Hot. What is this? But. It is a but. But. What is this? Fat. It is a fat. Fat. What is this? Lot. It is a lot. Parking lot. Parking lot. Very good. What is this? Sit. Sit. It is a sit. The boy is going to sit. Sit. What is this? Pet. It is a pet. A cat and a dog. A pet. Now, take note, girls and boys. Ending sound, it is the sound produced by the speaker at the end of the word. Again, in the ending sound, it is a sound produced by the speaker at the end of the word. For example, the word is bat. Bat. The word is bat. Letter B, A, T. Bat. Now, letter B is the first sound. B, 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 B. And letter A and T is the ending sound. At, 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 b, at, b, at, bat, bat, b, at, b, at, bat. Okay, again, the word is bat. Letter B is the first sound, b. Letter A and T is the ending sound, at. To read the word, bat, bat. Okay, first sound, b. Ending sound, at, bat, bat. Very good. Now, we are going to answer the following question. On your worksheet, page number 16. Write each word in the correct height. Okay? Write each word in the correct height. Number 1. The word is bat. Bat. Now, bat end with at. At. Letter A and T. Now, where is letter A and T kite? Here. Now, you are going to write the letter B-A-T. Bat. On the kite that have letter A and T. Okay? All right. Now, you will continue that in second kite, ot. Third kite, et. Fourth kite, ut. And fifth kite, it. Okay? All right. You will write your answer inside the kite. Okay? All right. And that is the end of our lesson. And always remember, your activity is located in your Juicy English Book Unit 5, My First English Adventure, page number 16. And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you, students. See you again in our next video. Bye-bye. Keep safe. Thank you.